Okay, so just a short video to show those who don't know how to do these. This is what I hold my little pipes in. So I'm trying to do this one-handed whilst doing the video. Going to be interesting. Okay. Like that. I basically cut these in half. Quite easy and simple to do. Two skewers in place, and there you go. And then you can wrap around elastic band on here, and then put your pipe in there. And I've got the small ones as well, by the way. So, and then put another band on top of that, and it'll hold it in place. And it's got a good length to stay in the ground there. That is basically how you do it. Okay, please like, share, subscribe to life in Ratchasima, and I will give you another update very soon. Bye.